Romance is a Bonus Season 2 release date. Will the show ever return? The romantic drama Romance is a Bonus made a different place in everyone's hearts. The massive fan following of the show lead to incredible TRP ratings and people are craving for the second season. Whereas the audience is still waiting on the age to watch season 2. We have a little update for you that might bring a ray of positivity if you are a die-hard fan of Romance as a Bonus. The show aired on Netflix and TVN in 2019, and the two major characters made it up to the most favorite actors list in Japan. The Korean drama was loved worldwide after it debuted on Netflix. Talking about the range of Korean dramas, you will probably always see Romance as a Bonus on top of Netflix browse. Let's know more about Romance as a Bonus season 2 release date and will the show ever make a return or not. Romance is a Bonus season 2 has not yet been officially announced by the makers, and there is less chance that the show will have a season 2 anytime soon. But there is a high chance the creators might return with a spin off movie to the show, keeping the massive audience in mind. As of now, the season 2 has less chance to be launched on Netflix as most of the story had been covered, and season 1 did not end on a cliffhanger, which makes it clear that the show will not be coming back anytime soon. Kang Dan-I and Cha Yoon-ho, the lead protagonist of the comedy Korean drama, have been seen in other TV shows as well. As of now, they are busy with other projects which are not intact with Romance as a Bonus season 2. Although there have been various instances where shows were completely finished off, but where there is a huge fan base demanding for another season, the writers jot down another part of the story. That's their creative part, as every artist creates a piece of art so that the audience can enjoy it. Thus, concluding about the season 2, there are high hopes that the same might happen with Romance as a Bonus season 2 too. Spoiler alerts. Korean dramas tend to follow multiple plots at the same time. And there is no just one main plot, so this drama follows the lives of all these different people working in the publishing industry. To be precise, at the core publishing firm, but in a nutshell of this drama is about two characters, Kang Dan-i and Cha Yoon-ho, who is a single mother who after her divorce realizes that while she had been devoting herself to her husband and children, the job sector, the employment field moves ahead at a very rapid rate, and as she is trying to resume her work life, she is finding it very difficult to get a job. Somehow she lands a job at the Career publishing firm and she is just beyond elated. I cannot tell you how much I love this drama because I love books. Be working in a publishing firm has always been a dream of mine. And to see all these people working with such determination to publish books, to work with authors and writers, and to convey meaningful stories to the public, which is so heartwarming. Kang Dan-e has the qualifications, the skills to commendable job companies refuse to hire her just because she is a single mother and there has been a gap in her career. Third, the romance and the chemistry between some of the characters is really heartwarming. There were just so many scenes in this drama that tugged at my heartstrings, that even brought out few tears too. One of the things I love to see is despite the conflict of interest that many people have in the company at the end of the day, the dialogues are also on point sometimes. With romance and contemporary drama, certain dialogues can be very cheesy. But in this drama, they were not cheesy enough to be cringy. But the kind of cheesy that it makes you smile, and it's funny, there are definitely some laugh out loud moments. The soundtracks is also really nice. There are some very soulful pieces of music that are part of the theme song. And the end credits, and especially the music that is used in between the scenes, the acting is also very commendable. I didn't really like, and I feel it would not have had made that much of a difference if it hadn't been there, or maybe if the stories were written differently. What makes me so happy is that in the one scene in this drama where everyone in the company goes out to this barbecue place for a meal, and they are all just being so boisterous and happy and loud that one of the serving ladies, she asks them, "Why are you all so happy? Who are you?" They all scream together. That scene was so perfect. I had to pause the drama to collect myself because I was just so emotional at that time. Just the vibes that they all bring to the show, the way it has been scripted. Talking about the season 2 spoilers, the show might have another spin off of the story in continuity. The happiness part will be in the beginning, but humans are susceptible to rational errors. And so the same might happen in season 2 as well, although it all depends upon the writer and what he portrays in the show. Let's hope that the series might return soon, quenching the thirst of the audience. For more such updates, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click the bell icon.